Hey, what's going on everybody? Ali Saleh here, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get a $10,000 challenge account for free. All you have to do is join our community, and I'm gonna walk you through exactly how our community and our wealth building tools can help you pass your challenge accounts, just leveraging all these simple tools that we have access to. But this month, right now, if you get started, I'm gonna give you a $10,000 challenge account just for enrolling in our academy. So let's go ahead and dive right in, and I'm gonna show you how you can leverage other people's money to win in the financial markets. OPM is key. So let's run that B-roll, dive right in.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my.
Okay guys, so let's go ahead and talk a little bit about the prop firm that we've partnered with. This prop firm is called TradeX Mastery. They're an amazing prop firm. I've been using them now for 8 months, no issues with withdrawals. Just last week alone, we had over $200,000 in payouts to my trading team. It's been an amazing journey. And so basically they have, multiple levels of challenge accounts. You can get 10,000, 25,000, all the way up to 200,000. You just have to pass phase 1, which is 10%, phase 2, which is 5%. And then after that, you go into the live trading environment, and basically it's an 80-20 split. You can buy additional add-ons like a 90-10 split, and also trading with the news and a few other things, but we'll keep it super simple for those of you who know nothing about trading. So basically what you would do is you would use our wealth building tools in our community inside of Akashx to actually pass your challenge account. So like I said, last month alone, over 200,000 people, $200,000 was delivered in payouts to my trading community, and they just literally did this. Most people have no trading experience whatsoever. So basically a $10,000 challenge account is $100, and my trading community is $149. So most people, if you would have to start, you'd have to pay the $149 plus the $100 to get going. So basically $250 all in. But now we'll waive that $100. You won't have to worry about it. Just get started for the $149, and that will give you access to the $10,000 challenge account. Absolutely no additional cost to you. So what do you get access to when you're part of Akashx? You get access to our live trading sessions. You get access to our academy. You get access to trade alerts, copy-paste trade alerts that are absolutely smashing it. We had over 18,000 pips last week alone. Our tap to trade system, we have an educator that's up over 33% on tap to trade. And tap to trade is just where you literally click one button on your phone. If you get a notification on your phone, and you're basically going to be able to take that trade directly from your phone, just like this. So if you look, you get a notification on your phone, you open it up, and then all you do is click approve, and boom, you're in the trade. So if you can literally open up a notification, you could trade in the financial markets. It's never been easier. So we have all these market scanners, everything that you guys can take full advantage of. And then our Akashx community, if you guys want to see a full breakdown of the back office, I have plenty of videos, but you'll have access to our academy, the live trading sessions, the trade alerts, all of that. Our back office is super clean, easy to navigate, user-friendly. Anyone can take advantage of it. But what I want to do now is I want to show you guys just some results, because I believe that, documentation beats conversation. So I want to show you guys the money at the end of the day. Right here, 31% gains on tap to trade last month. Then over here, we have, as you can see here, 18,000 pips won. We have all these people passing phase 2. All these results. It just doesn't end. Just last week, over $200,000 in payouts. As you can see, we just have loads of results, tons of winning clients, just sharing results all day long, people winning. Like this client's up $885, passing stage 2. It's crazy. So yeah, I definitely think you should get your hands on this offer. Get started right now, $149. You get a $10,000 challenge account to trade with. This is like literally the most no-brainer trading academy I've seen so far. And I've been doing this since 2016. So let's get you plugged in. Let's get you helped out. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.